Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we're gonna see how we can customize our invoice that are sent to our customers after the purchase. So for this, you will log in into your Pabbly subscription billing account, click on settings and invoice settings. After that, you'll see the screen where I'm at right now. So before opening the settings, we'll see how the custom default invoice looks like. So I'll go to the invoice tab and open a random invoice, and so this is how the invoice looks like right now. We have the address, the invoice number, due date, gateway name, the bill to section and everything. So we'll make some customization in this and see how this changes. So we'll go back to settings, invoice settings, and we'll click on add invoice settings, and we have to write the invoice setting title. So the title is only for our reference, it is not going to be shown to our customers. So I'll write the invoice title as, so this is going to be my title, because designing is a product that I have in my account. Then I have to select the product. So this is going to be this customization, this invoice settings is going to be for a specific product, and this is the product. And then we have to write the invoice heading, which will be shown on the invoice. So I want the invoice heading to be purchase receipt. So this is going to be my invoice heading, and then we have to add an invoice logo. I'll add the logo of my brand, and I've added the logo. Then we have to write an invoice note. So this is going to be for every invoice for this particular product. Every plan that is under this product is gonna have the same invoice settings that we are making right now. So I'll add the invoice note as thanks for purchasing. So this is the invoice note that I want in my every invoice note for this particular product. I'll submit this, and our settings have been saved. Now I'll go to our products tab and make a purchase for this product to see how the new invoice is gonna look like. I'll insert some random customers data to make the purchase, and we'll do the checkout through the test card. And the purchase has been made. Invoice must have been generated in the invoices tab, and yes, it is. We'll open the invoice, and this is how the invoice logo is gonna look like that you insert in the invoice settings. And then we have the invoice heading that we changed, and the purchase receipt number, and we have almost all our details. And in the bottom of the invoice note, we'll have the note that we wanted our customers to see. So this is how you can set some invoice settings in your Pabbly subscription billing account. And if you want to put an invoice note for one specific invoice, you can do that in Pabbly subscription billing. So we'll see how. We'll scroll down and open a random invoice. For example, I'll open this invoice, and I want to write a manual invoice for this specific invoice number 68. So I can do that by invoice note button, and I can add the invoice. So for example, I'll write, this was your last payment, thanks for shopping with us. And we'll tick this button, add this note on invoice, and invoice has been added. We'll go back. So the invoice note has been added for this particular invoice. We would not see this invoice note on any other invoice because we chose to put it on a specific invoice. So this is how you add invoice settings in your Pabbly subscription billing account. If you have any questions on this, let us know at admin@pabbly.com. Thanks for watching.